Let me introduce the newest chest styling, the freezers. And this is 2 sliding glass door top units. Let me see the overall sizes for the units. Entire units will be 78 inches and a half wide. And 29 and a half inches in the depth. And the overall height will be 34 inches. And also you can see they have a temperatures and adjuster right here, LED light switcher here, and also using the US standard, the 110 plugs right here. Let's take a round the backside. Okay, and also you can see the sticker right here, ETL sanitations, and the water exhaust right here. Simple plugs. Let's take a look at the inner side. This is a 2 glass sliding top. You can see the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 baskets. I'll take a measurement of it. And the basket will be 22 and a half inches long, about 11 inches wide, 7.5 inches in the depth. And the inner side of the units, this unit is about 23.5 inches in the depth. And the length, about 73 inches in the length. Also, the units will be 2 feet wide, this unit. Okay, thank you for watching these videos. If you have more questions, please contact with us. We will give you more details and assistance.